Hi. Hi, so what's been going on over here?
This is our nature block party, the Forest Reserves. We do this every year right here at Eggers. And we've got a lot of activities going on, some art crafts, what else? We got some games, nature play games. We've got the bikes here for use. We had fishing earlier over at Wolf Lake, which was connected to this as well.
Yeah.
So that's about it. So we were here from 12 to 4.
Wow. And I heard there were helmets.
Yes. Yes, we have helmets. We have giveaway helmets as well. So please
Fantastic.
take a helmet.
That's okay. And you are?
My name is Art Matthews. I'm the recreation manager for the Forest Reserves.
Wow. Oh, wow. Thank you. Thank you very much. Wow.
We have a great info table over there. Please take all the information you'd like.
This is wonderful. And who brought the cart?
The cart, that's Bike and Roll. They're partnering with us for this event.
That's fantastic. That's fantastic.
So you can always that were interested in the garlic mustard pool. Right here. They my family garlic mustard. Patrick is the site steward here. He'll be swinging by here to pick you up on the way to the pool. So if you just hold tight right here. Oh, fantastic! In the next few minutes, he'll come get you. What pool? Not pool, but pole.
Pole. But they come up very easily.
Garlic mustard. It's an invasive non-native species. There you go. See, an expert right over here. So, well, if you like a water bottle, we just ask that you leave us your email address for our newsletter.
All right, ready? All right, go ahead and we'll do the garlic bowl.
And if it's too short there, you can just flip it over and put it on the next page. That's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, and he'll be coming by and if you are interested in doing the garlic mustard pool, so we'll just be doing a white walk with our site steward. And then he'll be telling you all about it, showing you some of the area, and then just pulling that out. And the cool thing, though, we're actually going to bring it back, wash it off, and then make it into a pesto that you can sample.
Oh, okay, cool.
Is this gentleman right here in the jeans and the t-shirt? He's leading our...
Okay. Now, is this facility going to be open now, or...?
So this doesn't really have an inside to it. It has the bathrooms, which are open now, and are open throughout the season, but there's not an inside, like, event space pavilion.
Oh, okay, all right. Okay.
Sure.
Hi, can I ask, how did you hear about this event?
Facebook. I saw it on the East Side Rise group.
Great. Oh, enjoy the day.
Thank you.
Bye. Hey, John.
Hi. How you doing?
Hi.
They're no good for pulling garlic mushrooms because they all got shorts on.
They got shorts on, right?
Yeah. Okay. I think it's just us two. Again.
Leave it with us for as long as you want if you don't want to carry it around, too.
What's here?
No.
Yeah, you guys were gone pretty long.
I was gonna fall out.
Don't fall out.
Oh, these are beautiful.
Yeah, these kids are doing really great jobs.
You're gonna be making different things. This is a nice one. Yeah, it's a nice olive. Wait.
Hello. What you got?
So these are tree cookie necklaces, and what they are is they're made out of old buckthorn trees, and buckthorn is an invasive species, as you may or may not know. They're from Europe, and people brought them over because they make awesome hedgerows, they look good in your garden and everything, but unfortunately they're not so good to the native plants. They actually push toxins back into the soil instead of what most plants do is remove them from the soil. And then their berries are diuretic, so when the birds eat them, they are expelled very quickly, and that's why they spread so fast. So the Forest Reserve works hard to try to remove them, and so they're not just removed and wasted, we use them for arts and crafts. We also have some over at the Nature Play Station, so just so you can get your hands on something natural. So they're pretty sweet. So you want to decorate one? You want this one? All right. So these are like hole punches, so they can make circles or stars, butterflies. They're kind of big though, they take up almost the whole thing, so you have to be careful. But you can draw whatever you want on them. A lot of people have been putting their names. I've made mine really colorful.
Oh, is that beautiful?
You can use...
That is like stained glass.
Yeah, kinda. I never thought of it like that, I just thought it was fun.
You and Tiffany.
Hmm?
You and Tiffany,
Yeah.
right?
So you can do whatever you want on it. And then take it home as a little souvenir. This one's got drawings on it. But yeah, I have some stamp pads if you want to. Careful though, because the ink doesn't come off your hands very easily. So what do you want on there? Go ahead and pick out your letters. There's some smaller letters too. I just had it, so let's see. Is this it? I know, I just saw you stamp it. Oh well. Let's see if we can find the other thing.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, have a great day.
Thank you.
Hello, how are you?
Fine, how are you?
What are you doing, man?
Just sitting and waiting. Just sitting and waiting. For you? For me? Yeah.
Oh, wow. This is lovely.
That is very nice.
Wow. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, different colors.
Hi, can I ask, how did you find out about the event today?
Through our scouting troop.
Boy Scouts.
Boy
Boy
Scouts.
Scouts,
Because we did a
great.
hike from Wolf Lake this way, and then
Oh,
we. Well, not we. I was at work. They
The manly man.
they hiked. I was
real man.
working.
right.
That's not an excuse.
But was it fun anyway?
It was extremely fun.
Well, the one kid got a tick
Well, no, he didn't get a tick. He found a tick. But no,
on his neck.
it was really good. It was really good.
Okay, we're going to talk about that.
It was
And then the
supposed
fun,
to show the positive.
and then the surprise at the end was coming here and having the party.
Yeah. This is not always available,
No,
every weekend or whatever, so this is good. This is good.
it
And
was
it's
really good.
not a bad day for it.
No,
It's great.
it turned out a little scary in the morning with the rain, but it turned out perfect. You can't get more perfect than right now.
I agree.
It is a very nice day.
I agree. It's just for him.
Oh yeah.
Hello. Hi, Ms. Audubon. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Okay, thank you. Yeah. Hi. Okay, I'm looking for the planters. Are they back there?
Yep.
Wetlands people?
So the end of this driveway here is the trail.
Okay.
Keep going that direction on a trail. Those signs that say volunteers, and they're
Okay, so we're going to catch them too. So hold up the book and tell us about the birds here.
There are plenty of birds here. Lots of them. A whole book full. You'll see lots of birds if you join us on our wonderful nature walk.
I would love to. I would love to. Hi, how are you? Hi, good.
Hi. Hello. How are you guys?
Hi.
Go over on a nature walk with us?
we're leaving at next one leaves at 2:30, so we have about 30 minutes.
Okay, we'll be back in the car.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Do they need to practice using the equipment and
We'll get a little
whatever this,
introduction with
all
binoculars and
this?
everything once we start.
Okay, it's good. It's good. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello. Were you planting?
Yeah.
Hi. How did you find out about this today? Can I ask?
Go ahead. My from George Washington High School. They have a program for service learning hours.
Yeah.
So they came here, told me where to come, and then we're out here planting.
Were you here before? Ever?
No, this is my first time here.
You can come back?
Yeah,
Maybe.
probably. Yeah.
Okay, thanks for telling me that, because we want to know how the word gets spread, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is close by, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, okay.
Here's one. So, you guys don't have shrouds either? Oh, we're definitely short on shrouds. I'm just trying to figure out. Why do you see that next to?
Hi.
Something different.
Lo haces así para abajo. Push, push the plant down. Push, push. Ahora le echas encima.
Something else.
Either should have seen would this have been when your hair was really, really short or long?
What was the project?
That I don't remember. I just remember something about recycling.
Recycling at your school. There's a former Earth Force student out here.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful.
Yeah.
Wow.
And
I should have taken the toll road here.
gotta get used to it.
Oh, wow. Hi.
So will we be on like a mailing list so we'll get contacted?
For sure.
Okay.
Yeah, we would love that.
Yeah.
I mean, one of the things we're trying to do is get local people
Yeah,
like
most
you
definitely.
guys to share, and are out here to do more of this. So yeah, for sure. Yeah. I know the second Saturday of the month, Don Pastor hosts his Restoration Day, and he's always looking for more support for what he's doing.
Okay.
And we come out in the middle of winter when the ground is frozen, and we'll have a brush pile fire so you can stay warm while you're working, and we're removing some of the woody plants. And, yeah, it's a great way to build community. We have food over the fire. And it's kind
kind of an unexpected time to be out, I think, but sometimes the prettiest time of the year to be out. Yeah.
I mean, a lot of people don't take the time to even walk the trails. He's been here with me for 5 years, and we've never walked that part. We've always stick to the bike path.
Yeah.
So what could be done to get people here?
I think understanding that these things exist, that these activities exist, seeing local community people here, familiar faces, I think that makes it a lot easier. You know, no one wants to be the first one to jump in. So I don't want to appeal into that sense of group mentality. Let's grab them out by the mouth, make them excited about it. I think it really comes
that's
to
what
that,
I was just talking about. Like, the more you get, like, you invite your friend or like you know, coworker or family member to work day if you work in the field.
I think
at least one day they get comfortable with seeing their family member there, and you know they get to lean on them and ask them questions. You know, you know, you get kind of shy your first time out, so.
I think highlighting the investment too, you know, making sure that they understand this is going to beautify your community. You can come back and see all these plants.
Yeah, you can come and walk on these trails. You might not have ever known that they were back here.
Most definitely.
Come back here, and this is yours.
That's how that was my first time coming out. Me and my family, we was at a family reunion. My brother was like, "Oh, let's go back on the trail," and we didn't know where we was going, but we went on the hike.
You found paradise.
I go back.
That's
in your own
perfect.
backyard, yeah.
Yeah.
I go back to Dan Ryan and I see the limestone trail. And the limestone trail seemed like it was 10 foot apart, and there's only like a 5-foot gap. So.
Okay, thanks. It's great. A great story.
Yeah.
That was good. You get that?
Yeah, I did.
Just said it.
Okay, I'm doing a video, and it'll go up on YouTube. Is that all right with you?
Absolutely.
Okay, so did you want to say a little bit more about why people should be out here?
I think that you need to take some pride in your community. We have this fantastic gem right on the edge of the southern tip of the city. You walk down Michigan Avenue, you wouldn't think that something like this exists less than 20 miles away. I think you need to take some time and smell the roses. Or whatever's growing.
Smell the roses. This is garlic mustard, so you can smell this pretty easily.
And the Jack of the Pulpit.
Jack of the Pulpit. Yeah. Did you want to give your name?
My name is Christopher Rodriguez.
Christopher Rodriguez.
Born and raised on the southeast side of Chicago.
Great.
Very happy to be here.
That's great. Good, 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 good. Okay, Ann?
Hey, I'm Devon. I'm with Friends of the Forest Reserve. My reason why it's important to be out in the Forest Reserve, it's just a getaway. It takes you away from the everyday struggle and the everyday worry. And that was my purpose for getting out into the Forest Reserve. And I feel you will feel some way, you will feel some type of way about being here too.
So you know more than this one, right? Right? You know more than this?
In
than
certain
Eggers?
areas, you know. So, I mean, I'm very knowledgeable on the plants and knowledgeable on the tree species. A couple plant diseases, soil composition, and herbicide and pesticide, prescribed burn. So it's all part of the field and being in the area. So I'm happy I was able to be a part of what is becoming a new movement.
You are. You are. That smile says it all. Thank you. Thank you very much. Good, good, good. Could you say that again?
Oh,
Is it okay if I put you up on YouTube tonight?
It's white snakeroot. It's a very common woodland plant that we find all over, northeastern Illinois. And it's opposite leaved. It has very large, kind of lance-shaped leaves.
See it?
And it has this sort of wrinkly texture on the top of the leaf that botanists would describe as rugose.
Okay.
Which just means it's kind of rough texture. And it has very coarse or large teeth along the margins. It's another indicator. It usually has a little, if you look real close, on the stem, it usually have a little teeny bit of fuzzy hair on it as well.
Okay.
So that's a plant that we find both in good quality areas, woodlands, as well as disturbed woodlands. It's very adaptable.
And you are?
My name is Dan Spencer, and I'm with the Forest Preserve District of Cocunty.
Fantastic. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Feel free to.
Oh, I see him. That's good. That's really good. What's next? What else did you get? Another bird. All right. I'll mark off your bird. Go find something else. I already found a bird. He's got the one that you can't find. So, what we've brought today are two activities that teach the use of two different types of equipment. We have our iPads out here that we're doing a biodiversity scavenger hunt with. The young folks here are using the iPads to go out and take photographs of these 12 different things that you can find out in nature. We also have an activity that's called our Bird IQ activity, and what we've done is sometimes it's hard to learn how to bird without getting the birds to stand in place. So what we've done is we have some pictures of birds that we have put up around here. We teach young people how to use the binoculars and then have them find those birds and use the guide to identify what they're looking at.
Fantastic.
Yeah, so it's been a really nice day out here, and we've got somebody else. What'd you find? Did you find something else, Superman? No. Not yet. All right. Keep at it. Keep at it. So yeah, it's a beautiful day.
It is. It
Definitely
really
keep
is.
coming out to Eggers Woods.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wow, thank you.
Your left and focus the right one first, then open both eyes and fine-tune focus with the top dial.
Okay.
So the idea is to get that fine focus, and you should be able to see the number that's on the sticker.
Yeah.
Match it up with the birds on the list.
Great.
And
Okay.
again, I'll tell you if you're right and give you a prize.
Thank you.
Oh, hi, does he have a name? And oh, look at this. He's not camera shy at all. Hey there. If he waves.
Looking right at you.
Look right at me, yeah.
So we don't generally name wild animals, but if you
Okay.
wanted to give them a name, what would you like to name them?
I don't know.
Well, I don't know as good a name as anything else.
All right. Well, yeah. You're the third person that suggested that name. So this is, I don't know, the box turtle. And it's one of the many captive wildlife species we have at Sand Ridge Nature Center in the Forest Preserves of Cook County. We're located about 15 minutes from here, open to the public every day.
Lovely, thank you. And your name is?
My name's Alex, and I'm a naturalist there at Sand Ridge Nature Center.
Okay, Alex, thank you. Thank you very much. Good, this is good stuff. Okay.